Hideaway, and we're going to do a quick video tutorial on how to use the setup here located in the living room. So we've got an iPad, and on the iPad you basically can control a lot of different functions. So go ahead and let us know exactly what we need to do.
Well, this one just has all the iPad functions that you would have normally, but it also controls the surround sound for the entire home. So this is the group function.
Great.
So right here, if you hit everywhere, all the speakers within the home go on.
So which was the app on that one?
That's the Sonos app. So if we go back, click on Sonos.
All right, so there's Sonos. All right.
If you want to choose your rooms, group your rooms. So you could turn them all off, or you could turn them all on, or specifically choose each room. For instance, living room.
So now these are the speakers that are in each room. So I can actually
in each room.
Okay. Now, can I have different music playing in different rooms, or?
Absolutely. What's included in this as well is if you go into music, browse.
All right.
Amazon Music. You have a full list of music that you could choose from.
Nice.
I have my music turned up. Pull whatever tracks you like and play.
And then you have the volume control down here.
On control down there, you could also install the Sonos app on your phone. And you can control separate volume levels throughout.
Nice. How cool is that?
So if someone's sleeping in the bedroom, you could turn that off, you could turn that on, you can control all volumes here. The Move is actually a portable speaker which could go throughout the home.
Great. And now does this control the television as well then?
The television has a separate control too.
Separate control, okay.
So the television control is here, and that controls the DVD, television, and remote.
Okay.
It's a Harmony Smart Remote.
Great. All right.
So if you wish to watch TV, watch a DVD, or watch a smart TV, you could choose. So simply press Watch TV.
There you have a nice, big, beautiful Sony flat screen. HDMI 1. All right, so HDMI 1 is set to cable 1. And so guys, just right down here, you have the cable 1 box. You want to make sure you have your green light on. So without the green light, you're not going to have any information coming through. And then you got a Blu-ray Sony player as well down here. The Wi-Fi unit. And what's the Logitech? Is that Logitech that's used for the Sonos?
That's used actually for the Harmony remote.
The Harmony remote. Okay, great. Okay. All right, and then so does it control, do we have Wi-Fi enabled system as well?
You do.
Okay,
so if you go back here, you'll go back to Activities.
Activities, okay.
Watch Smart TV.
Watch Smart TV, there you go.
Make sure you point it at the TV.
There you go, now it hit it. Okay, look at that. So now you have it controlled. So now when you guys want to watch Netflix, Prime Video, you're going to have to log in with your own account, your own information. And there's also free stuff. Hulu has things that you can watch. So if you have any further question, well, actually, is there anything else that this system does that they need to know about before I sign off here?
Well, just the television and the music and cable television is included.
Okay. Well, fantastic. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. The number in the office, it's 208-634-0030. And you can see right out here, you also have a little device that tells you what kind of weather you're experiencing. Cheers.